community bank. We have 82 branches across the state. We have 6 branches locally in Knoxville and Maynardville. The best part of my job is doing events like this, connecting with people like Whitney and helping people make sense of finances. So I had Ed pass out to everyone one of our brochures. If you're a business owner, and I'm going to guess most of you in here are, if you're flipping homes, if you're renting homes, you need a separate business banking account, okay? If you are a landlord, I've got 38 pages here that you may want to read. If you don't want to read them, I'll give you the highlights. Raise your hand if you're a landlord. Okay, perfect. So here's the biggest tidbit of information, and I did not stumble upon this myself. Where's Beth? Beth Hedrick. She is a tremendous realtor with LeConte Realty. And we were talking this morning about this meeting tonight, and she said, well, have you ever read the Uniform Residential Landlord Tenant Act? I said, what? So I had her send me the link. So here's what the link says. This is very important if you're a landlord. Who collects a security deposit? Surely all of you collected a security deposit. Security deposits must be in a separate account used only for that purpose. So if you're commingling your rent payments with your security deposits, that's not a good thing. You need to separate those two out. Your bookkeeper's going to love you for it. Your CPA is going to love you for it. You're going to love yourself for it at the end of the year. Keep those accounts separate. So with First Bank, we have 3 checking accounts. Okay? It's the first checking account in the flyer. It's called First Rewards. You don't even have to come to the bank to see me. Call me, email me, text me. I'll get the information from you. I'll need your basic name, rank, and serial number. I'll need a copy of your driver's license. And if you've listened to Whitney and you've had an attorney draw up your paperwork, your LLC, or whatever you have for your business, I'll need a copy of that. You can email that to me. You can drop it off. I'll get the documents together. I'll bring the documents to you to sign. So we're a new type of bank where we give concierge service to the depositor that has $1 in their account or the depositor that has 12 million. You're still going to get a person, and that's me. So again, I'm Robin Park with First Bank. So happy to be here. Thank you, and I'm going to turn it over to Ed McGinsey. Woo-hoo!